I love my bed, so soft, so warm. It keeps me safe in every storm. I snuggle in with my teddy tight, kiss mommy's cheek and say good night. Blankets tucked and lights turned low, off to dreamland there I go. Stars peeking through my window bright, my bed hugs me all through the night. I love my pillow, fluffy and white. It holds my dreams till morning light. I dream of clouds and skies so blue. In my cozy bed, dreams come true. When the